All right, so I'm here to tell you why expensive credit repair always fails. Now, you got scammers doing this stuff right here, charging illegal one-time fees. And then you also got them talking crap about how AI credit repair sucks, which it does. But then they claim on their website that they use AI, which they've changed it now to where it says, we use AI, but we also, check over it. We have a human expert at Pinnacle Credit Management, which is a joke, by the way. ACAT's not real. We've already debunked it. It is not trademarked either. Did you know that reporting that you have something trademarked on your website and it's not, that is illegal? So not only is he breaking the law by charging you one-time fees, he's also breaking the law by claiming he's trademarked ACAT, which is not even real. So another thing y'all fall for is these really, really fast results, 30, 60, 90 days. But there's even people on TikTok, mainly TikTok, doing this new 4-day sweep where they claim Section 605B of the Fair Credit Reporting Act, which means by law they have to block items due to identity theft. The other one is, I believe, 1681C-2, which is for identity theft as well, or they're using the data breach method, or they're using this, you're setting my personal information for monetary gain without my permission. Listen, you gave these people all the permission, all the written permission they need to report this stuff when you signed up for their credit card, for their personal loan, whatever you signed up for. It even says in the fine print that if you don't pay, they can sell it to a third-party debt collector. Now, debt collection is a whole nother ballgame. Me and my attorneys love debt collections because FDCPA violations are so easy to trigger. So you want to work with a company that's working with attorneys, not somebody who says they're using some AI called ACAT, which is the most ridiculous thing ever. And I'm sure some of you get tired of me exposing this guy, but if I don't do it, who else is? And this is not me trying to convince you to sign up for my services. I don't care who you sign up with. I don't. I just don't want you signing up with people like that who's going to take your money, treat you like crap, use racist slurs, and just treat you like crap. You don't deserve that. I would rather you try to do it on your own. So don't fall for this, oh, you get what you pay for in credit repair. He charges up to $2,000 to scam you. I charge $547 to have attorneys represent you throughout the full process, the full program of credit repair. You have attorneys working on your side. We're not sending your information to India, to Tammy, right here. We're not sending it to him so he can say your social security number because he's only being paid $5. We're not sending in FTC reports. We're not filing false police reports to try to get this stuff wiped off your credit. Listen, legal credit repair takes time. It takes time. Nobody wants to hear that. But stop paying people like Pinnacle Credit Management, the Credit Plug, $5,000, $2,000, even $1,000. You're not supposed to charge one-time fees. Why do you think these scammers charge you all the money up front? Because now they got all they need. All they wanted was your money. They don't care if your credit gets fixed or not. They're just going to block you, ignore you, and treat you like crap. Doing it the legal way, you do pay a monthly fee. It is called a subscription-based credit repair. You pay so much to start, so much a month. But guess what? If you're not happy in 3, 4, 5 months, guess what? You get to cancel before you've spent thousands of dollars like you would with these scammers. Anyways, this video has already gone to 4 minutes. Y'all know I like to keep it short and sweet and to the point. If y'all do have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.